Topic Tuesday, and I'm slightly inebriated, so this will be fun. Today we're talking about beaches. We have got some strong opinions on beaches in Australia versus beaches here in Cambodia and in Asia in general. Kinal and I are of the opinion that beaches in Australia are very pretty, but they're a bit boring.
In Khmer, we say pretty to see, but not pretty to eat.
That's right. So, if you've ever been to an Asian beach or one in Thailand or Cambodia, you've got areas where you can sit. You've got bars on the beach. That's number one. You've got people selling you seafood and other things you can eat on the beach, and you've got shade available to you to sit and relax and enjoy. And you can sit there all day, sink piss and eat food for a very, very small amount of money. And we've been to Australian beaches. We've been to Noosa, and we've been down the Great Ocean Road, and although they are very, very pretty, they're just a bit boring, aren't they?
Yeah, because you go to Siem Reap, you have the ladies with the stuff on their shoulder. They grill something. They grill like squids and whatnot for you to eat.
Yeah.
You go to a beach in Australia, you grill yourself.
You grill yourself. That's exactly right. Now we've got a bow here. A bow has actually been with us in Australia at a point in time many, many years ago. Max is really excited. He's passionate about the subject. But a bow, can you remember which beaches you went to?
Oh, I didn't remember the name.
Were they in New South Wales, Queensland, or Victoria?
They're in Newcastle.
Newcastle.
Yeah, Newcastle.
Was it Nelson Bay? Did you guys?
Yeah, Nelson Bay.
You went to Nelson Bay. Nelson Bay is very pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, they're very pretty.
But what did you think of the beach?
Be honest.
Be honest.
Not the pretty, so it's different, but we like ours more because we have something different.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, pretty boring.
We have food.
Pretty boring over there.
Pretty boring.
And was it boring because there was nowhere to sit and relax and goi lang and nyam sra and nyam hop?
Yeah.
That's it. Nowhere to eat, sit, drink, piss. We've got a bit of a theme happening here.
Tita, you can ask her opinion.
Tita.
She's been to Australia.
Tita's also been to Australia. What do you think of Australian beaches? Look, she's angry. I haven't even asked the question. She's already angry.
Sunshine Coast. You've been to Sunshine Coast?
Yeah, Sunshine Coast.
Yeah.
King's Beach.
Yeah.
Well, the beautiful place, but the thing is, you can't sit and relax on the beach and drinking and eating.
Yeah.
Like in Cambodia.
It's a bit regulated, isn't it?
Yeah. And well, you could bring your own barbecue and cook, but not like in Cambodia. You can just sit, relax, and then eat. People cook for you.
But would you bring your own barbecue in Australia to a beach? Probably not.
Hey, you go to the beach in Cambodia. You just take yourself and a wallet full of cash.
$20. $20 will get you fairly fed and shit faced.
When you go to beach in Australia, you pack the whole house.
That's right. Yeah, exactly right. I've got one more opinion I would like to share with you. We've got Kerry here. Kerry. I'm interested in Kerry. Kerry is Miss Alabama. Put your hat on like a true Yank. Bloody Seppo. Kerry moved to the States with her husband a few years ago. And as you can probably tell, we're catching up with all the people. Kerry, what are the beaches like in Alabama?
Nice and clean.
Nice and clean?
Yeah.
But do you prefer the beaches here in Cambodia or the beaches in Alabama?
Alabama is nice and clean.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
But you just cannot find anything that's selling on the beach.
There you go. And does that detract from your experience at the beach?
I think it's been bad and good.
Yeah?
I can say it like that. But like in here,
Just
it's
before
different.
Kerry has a green card. She's treading very, very lightly because she is a secret American. So she's supporting America more than Cambodia these days.
No, I'm not. But I just said, like, in the US, for me, it's just like the beach is more clean.
Yep.
And like easy for us to rent a house because it's like you can rent the whole house for a family.
Oh, you can rent a tent.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, and you can rent the tent and all the chairs and stuff. Yeah, very
so
easily.
it's easy.
Yeah.
But if you want to say like in here in Cambodia they have a hotel.
Yeah.
So the hotel here is cheaper.
Yeah.
But and also the other thing was like the easy for like you don't have to cook, and then everyone was selling on the beach stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a good thing about Cambodia,
Yeah.
but also it's a bad thing. Kind of a bit trashy, but it's not bad.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I cannot say bad or good.
She's on the fence. Kerry is very much on the fence. But I want to know what you guys think. Have you been to a beach in Asia, particularly in Thailand, Cambodia, or even in Vietnam, if you've been to like Hoi An or up north, or Hoi or Da Nang, where the beaches are full of people selling things and serving you cold beers and other wares? Or do you like to go to a beach and just be able to sit and there's no one around? Because I think that is appealing if you go to like, you go down to Great Ocean Road and you sit up camp and whatnot, you can put your fire and, you know, I think that's pretty cool. But that's beside the point. What do you think? Beaches in Australia or beaches in Asia? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, I'm going to get another beer and probably make another video. Thank you for joining us on Topic Tuesday.